Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Google Chrome on your Windows 11. Don't worry, it's easy and we will do it step by step. First, click on the start button. Now type Edge. Now open this software. It will be pre-installed on your laptop by default. Now click on the address bar at the top. Now type Google Chrome download and press enter. And now open the first link. On the website, you will see a big blue button that says Download Chrome. Click on it. Once the download is complete, look for a file called chromesetup.exe. You will usually find it in the top right corner of the browser. Click Open the file or double click the file to start installation. Now a Windows security pop-up will appear asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click Yes. And Google Chrome will now download the remaining files and install automatically. And once the installation is complete, Chrome will open on its own and you are all set. You can now search for Google Chrome on your laptop and open it whenever you want. But for quick access, just search for it, then right click on it. Now choose Pin to Taskbar. It will then stay on your taskbar, so you can access it anytime you want very easily. So that's how you can install Google Chrome on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.